Hello, students. I hope you all are doing good and enjoyed your summer breaks. Now, let's get back to our studies. Hope you all have the books with you, right? So, let me tell you how this is going to work first. In the coming weeks, we are going to revise the chapters that we have covered in April and May month. We will be sending you the videos according to the timings, and you have to go through the videos in the allotted time so that you can get ready for the next subject. While going through the videos, if you have any query, please use the comment section box. Let's start with the revision of chapter 1, the magic brush. Learning outcomes. Learning outcome means what you're going to learn from today's video. First, I'm going to explain you the gist of the story so that you can recall the same. Second, we will go through the glossary words which are there at the end of the chapter. And third, we are going to evaluate the factual questions. Come to page number 9. There is a starter activity. For this, you have to first write the date. Write today's date, that is 2nd of July 2020. Now, for this activity, you have to write on this page only. There is a space near the activity. You have to write there only. And what is the activity? Who is a better person? One who helps others or one who wants everything for himself? Now you have to choose which one is the better person. And for this activity, you have 1 minute time. Complete this activity and then see the further video. Now here our story starts. There was a small boy and his name was Malyang. And I hope you remember that he was a poor boy who lived in a village and he was good at drawing. As he was poor, he had no money to buy a pencil or brush. So what he did? Yes, he used to draw with stones or sticks on sand. So, one night, what did he wish? He wished that he had a brush. Why he wished this? Because he was good at drawing, but he had no money to draw his pictures. So he said, I wished I had a brush. Suddenly, an old man appeared. Appeared means an old man came in front of him. And the old man said, here's a brush. Draw pictures, but only for the poor people. Now the old man said, take this brush, but always remember, you have to draw only for the poor people. And then the old man disappeared. Disappeared means that old man went. And then with that brush, Malyang started drawing. But what did he notice? One day when he drew a hen, it turned into a real hen, as you can see in the picture. When he drew the hen, it became a real hen. Then he said, this is a magic brush. With that brush, Malyang started helping the poor people. He helped an old woman. Let us see how. He drew an X for her and the picture turned into a real X. She cut some wood with her new X. In this way, he helped her. Learning outcomes. Learning outcome means what you're going to learn from today's video. First, I'm going to explain you the gist of the story so that you can recall the same. Second, we will go through the glossary words which are there at the end of the chapter. Now here our story starts. There was a small boy and his name was Malyang. And I hope you remember that he was a poor boy who lived in a village and he was good at drawing. As he was poor, he had no money to buy a pencil or brush. So what he did? Yes, he used to draw with stones. So one night, what did he wish? He wished that he had a brush. Why he wished this? Because he was good at drawing, but he had no money to draw his pictures. So he said, I wished I had a brush. Suddenly, an old man appeared. Now let's see how he escaped from the prison. Escape means to get free from the prison. Now first of all, Malyang need a key to come out from the prison. So he drew a key and it turned into a real one. In this way he came out from the prison. Now after coming out, he want to go to his village. So he drew a horse which turned into a real one, and he sat on it and he rode away. And then he also drew a hole and it turned into a real big hole. In that hole, all the soldiers who were running behind him to catch him fell into the hole. In this way, he went back to his village. Here are the glossary words. Come to page number 10. See the words there. I will explain you the meaning also. Disappeared, it means not able to see. The old man disappeared, yes? So the Malyang was not able to see the old man. Wicked, bad. The greedy king was bad. Palace, a large building where a king lives. Prison, it's a special building where criminals are sent as a punishment for committing a crime. Where you do wrong things, you are sent to a prison. Continued means to carry on with an activity. The following assignment is to be done in your E1 notebook. I'll show you the assignment, but before that, you have to take a book, cover it properly, neatly, and label it and fill the information on the label. Now here goes our assignment. In the same way, you will be writing in your E1 notebook. First of all, you have to write the date. See the way I have written. 2nd of July 2020. And then chapter 1, the magic brush. Let's start with the new words. There are total 8 new words. First, stick, village, field, disappear, wicked, prison, greedy, finger. Students, as you can see, all the first letter of the words are capital. So please follow the same rules. And then let's go for the question answers. Come to page number 10. There are question answers. See how to write? First, answer the following questions. A. What was Malyang good at? Answer. Malyang was good at drawing. And then you have to leave a line. Second, who gave Malyang a brush? Answer. An old man gave Malyang a brush.